I'm Tom Moore. I'm Head of Commerce at VLMY&R Commerce. We are a creative commerce agency focused on how we can bring creativity across retail and commerce channels. Yeah, I think it's a really interesting time and space for creativity at the moment, especially around commerce. We're seeing huge changes across retail with the collapsing of sales funnel, which means that commerce channels are increasingly becoming a space for brand building and consumers' kind of connection to those brands, as well as it is for traditional sales. We've got quite a few examples. I think one of those is really interesting is Oreo cookies. So great example where they found an interesting cultural insight about sneakers referring to black and white trainers as Oreos. And so the brand kind of tapped into that and said, if you scan a pair of Oreo trainers, we'll turn that into a voucher to redeem within Target stores for Oreo cookies. So a really interesting way of going, how can we connect culture into commerce spaces and use that to drive disproportionate gain? It's going to grow exponentially. We're kind of seeing that across lots of different categories. And I think we're going to see a huge amount of kind of creativity within that space. How are we going to see more brands kind of coming in and using creativity as a way to kind of drive greater engagement